Once upon a time, in a grand kingdom, there was a prince named Alexander. He was not like the other princes. While most princes spent their days learning to fight, hunt, or rule, Prince Alexander loved studying. His favorite subject was law. He would spend hours reading books and listening to his father, the king, talk about justice and fairness. Alexander believed that a good ruler must understand the law, not just power. One day, the king became very ill. His sickness was so severe that no one knew if he would recover. The people in the kingdom became worried. The king had no plans for who would rule after him. Prince Alexander, although young, was the next in line. But he was not sure if he was ready to be king. He loved his books and his studies. But could he rule a kingdom? Could he make decisions that would affect the lives of so many people? These were the questions that kept him awake at night. He decided to seek advice from someone who might help him understand if he was ready. The prince visited an old lawyer in the village. The lawyer was wise and had lived through many difficult situations. When Prince Alexander arrived at the lawyer's home, he explained his worries. "I do not know if I am ready to be king. How can I rule my people when I have not yet learned all I need to know?" The lawyer smiled kindly at the prince and invited him to sit. "My dear prince, it is good that you are thinking deeply about this. But you must understand one thing. A great leader is not someone who knows everything. A great leader is someone who listens, learns, and makes decisions with wisdom." The prince listened carefully as the lawyer continued. "You are already on the right path by studying law. Laws are the foundation of a strong and fair kingdom. A king who knows the law will always be able to make good decisions. But you must also understand the people you rule. You must understand their needs, their dreams, and their struggles." Prince Alexander nodded, but he still had doubts. "But how can I do all of this? How can I learn everything I need to know?" The lawyer looked at him seriously. "You do not need to learn everything on your own. Surround yourself with wise people. Seek advice from those who know more than you. And remember, being a good leader means making choices that are best for everyone, not just yourself." The prince thanked the lawyer for his wise words and promised to return home with a new perspective. As he walked back to the palace, he felt a little more confident. Maybe he didn't need to know everything. Maybe he could learn as he went and surround himself with the right people. Back at the palace, things had not improved. The king was still very ill, and there were whispers in the kingdom about what would happen next. Some people even thought that Prince Alexander might not be ready to rule, as he was still so young. But the prince did not let this discourage him. He knew he had to try, for the sake of his people. One day, a problem arose in the kingdom. A group of farmers came to the palace with a complaint. They said that a wealthy merchant had taken over their land and refused to give it back. The farmers were angry and desperate. They wanted justice, but they didn't know what to do. Prince Alexander heard their plea and decided to take action. He called together his advisors, including the wise lawyer from the village. Together, they discussed the case and looked at the laws that applied. The prince knew that he had to make the right decision for both the farmers and the merchant. After a long discussion, the prince made his decision. He ordered the merchant to return the land to the farmers, but he also made sure the farmers would pay a fair amount of money for the land. It was a solution that took both sides into account and was fair to everyone. The people of the kingdom were amazed at the prince's wisdom. They had expected him to make a quick decision, but instead He took the time to understand both sides and find a fair solution. The farmers were grateful, and the merchant respected the prince's decision. It was a victory for justice. As the days passed, Prince Alexander continued to learn and grow as a leader. He surrounded himself with wise people, just as the lawyer had advised. He learned from every decision he made and listened carefully to the people of the kingdom. Slowly but surely he became a ruler that his people trusted and admired. Years later, when the king finally passed away, Prince Alexander became the new king. He was not just a prince who knew the law. He was a king who understood the people and ruled with fairness and wisdom. His kingdom flourished, and people from all over the world came to hear his advice. Prince Alexander had learned one of the most important lessons in life. Leadership is not about knowing everything. It is about being willing to listen, learn, and make decisions with the people in mind. He ruled with compassion, justice, and a deep respect for the law, and his kingdom became known as a place of peace and prosperity. The lawyer who had once guided him in his youth remained by his side, offering counsel whenever needed. And together, they made sure that the laws of the land were always fair, ensuring that the kingdom would continue to thrive for generations to come. And so, the story of the lawyer prince became a legend, a tale passed down from generation to generation. It reminded the people that true leadership comes not from power, but from wisdom, kindness, and a deep commitment to justice.